Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to show you how to make thick homemade curd easily at home. In this video you will also learn how to set curd in a clay pot for extra thickness and taste. This method gives you creamy and delicious curd every single time. To make thick curd, you will need 1 liter full cream milk, 1 tablespoon curd, a clay pot or bowl. Using a clay pot help absorb extra water and make the curd thicker and tastier. First, take 1 liter of milk in a pan and bring it to a boil. Let the milk boil for 2 to 3 minutes, and this helps make the curd thick and creamy. After boiling, turn off the gas and let the milk cool down slightly. The milk should be warm, not hot. To check, dip your finger in the milk. If you can keep your finger inside for about 5 seconds, the temperature is perfect for setting curd. If the milk is too hot, the curd may not set properly. Now take 1 tablespoon of curd, add it to the warm milk. Mix it gently so the starter spread evenly in the milk, and this starter help the milk turn into curd. Now pour the milk into a clean clay pot. Clay pot absorb extra excess moisture and help make the curd naturally thick and creamy. Cover the pot with the lid and keep the pot in a warm place for about 6 to 8 hours. Don't move or shake the pot while the curd is setting. After a few hours, your perfect thick homemade curd will be ready.